Okay, good morning everyone. So in this class I am going to explain you the some introduction about the three main spreadsheets that are electronic spreadsheets. Okay, so in the last class I explained about the conventional spreadsheet plus drawbacks of the conventional spreadsheet. After that, whatever the drawbacks are occurred in a conventional spreadsheet, that are removed by the electronic spreadsheet. Okay, already explained you about the electronic spreadsheet, the different features of the electronic spreadsheet. Adnella na explain madidre. Now, what is the electronic spreadsheet? Okay, actually the electronic spreadsheets are there that are basically electronic spreadsheet and theory. It may be take one example, your Excel. Okay, MS Excel is a electronic spreadsheet. Okay, which is basically these are prepared by the some software that is called some program in the Agastri. Which program that is called as a conventional spreadsheet is basically prepared by some program that is called as a SuperCalc. Entry SuperCalc means super calculator. CALC. They are not mentioned the calculator. Okay. These are the assume that this is your electronic spreadsheet. Okay. This is your electronic spreadsheet. Yavri electronic spreadsheet andra in the last class I show you how the actually Excel is look like. Okay, that Excel is also called as an electronic spreadsheet. Actually, there are three types of electronic spreadsheet are there. First one is the Lotus 123. Second one is a Quarter Pro, and third one is the MS Excel. Okay, these three all are the electronic spreadsheet only. Okay, these kind of electronic spreadsheets are basically prepared by the some program. That program is called as a SuperCalc. Okay, that is run on the operating system. Okay, adu ಏನು ಆಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ operating system ಒಳಗ run ಆಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ this OS ಒಳಗ. OS means what? OS is one of the heart of the system. Okay, assume that your mind and your heart iddidilla andra your whole body yadukku upyogene illa anda useless body agbittadi. So to move, to talk, to see, to watch and hear, so we require a parts. But proper agi work agbeku andra first nim body ellanu energetic agi irbeku, alive agi irbeku andra first we require our brain plus heart. Okay, iverdu idrene nam jiva irtitri, otherwise irangidi. So like that, without OS any software application is not run on the system. System that is the body, just the system is the body, in that the heart is OS. So OS em maatadri andra that help us to run these different software on a system that is communicating with the user. Okay, that is communicating or interfacing with the user. Now access ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ system ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು access ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರ ನಮಗೆ interact ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗಂದ್ರ OS only. Okay, that is the interaction between the user as well as the system. Mediator ಯಾರ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ OS. Without OS we cannot be run any of the application in a system. It may be in a mobile also, or it may be in a computer also. Okay, so actually there are three types of electronic spreadsheet are there. There are three types of electronic spreadsheet are there. First one is Lotus 1, 2, 3. Next, second one is Quarter Pro. Okay, then third one is your Excel. Okay, these are the three types of electronic spreadsheet. In your syllabus olaga 2 units, total 5 units adavri. In that first unit and second unit which contains Excel only. Okay, the your means in syllabus olaga 2 unit Excel baggene adavri. Okay, remaining DBMS avivanta remaining 3 chapters adavri, means 3 units adavri. Okay, Excel is also one of the electronic spreadsheet. Nowadays, this is usable in any organization or any company or any firm. Why? Because to manage the data in a systematic order. Okay. These are the three different types of electronic spreadsheet. Let us see what is a Lotus 123, what is a Quadro and a Excel here. Okay, one by one we will go to the one by one. What is a Quadro, what is a Lotus, and what is a Excel. Okay, in this class I am going to explain you the features of the Lotus 123 software electronic spreadsheet. Okay, as you can see in this board, so these are the features of the electronic spreadsheet 1, 2, 3. Okay, features of Lotus 1, 2, 3. There are three types of electronic spreadsheet are there. One is a Lotus 1, 2, 3. Second one is a Quadro, and third one is a last one is a your Excel. Okay, we need to know the three. Now ಮೂರು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. Why these are developed? Why? Because to reduce the difficulties, to reduce the back, whatever occurred in a conventional spreadsheet. So that's why they are introduced. All the data are managed in the rows and columns, that is X coordinate and Y coordinate irtavilo. X coordinate means Y coordinate means this is X and this one. Okay, rows and columns irtavi. So in this rows and columns you manage the data in a systematic order. Okay, this is called as a spreadsheet. Okay, hang irtadante X Y coordinate olaga irtadri. Okay, now without delay we will move to the what are the features of Lotus 1, 2, 3. Okay, first one is a Lotus 1, 2, 3 is a electronic spreadsheet. Lotus 1, 2, 3. Okay, the Lotus 1, 2, 3 electronic spreadsheet, it has 8192 means 8192 rows plus 256 columns. Okay, so here the Lotus 1, 2, 3 is a electronic spreadsheet which having the rows and columns. In that rows and columns also we can manage the data in a systematic order. But which having only comparing to the conventional spreadsheet. Actually conventional spreadsheet means what? You need to take one page. In that page only you need to draw the 4 columns 1, 2, 3. Then you will make 30 rows like this. Only 4 columns 30 rows irtavari. But comparing to the conventional spreadsheet, Lotus 1, 2, 3 having a 8192 means 8192 rows are there plus 256 columns are there comparing to the conventional spreadsheet. So this is the first feature of the Lotus 1, 2, 3. Second one feature of the Lotus 1, 2, 3 is Lotus is having a fairly similar method to execute commands and it is simple to use. Actually comparing to the conventional spreadsheet which is having a many drawbacks. Okay, so the Lotus is having a many of the similar methods. Okay, which is having a method means calculator is also there in the that spreadsheet means already predefined some methods or a calculator other predefined formulas are there. With the help of can easily execute the required commands as well as it is easy to use for the users, simple to use. Bahut simple adari. Okay, there is no difficulties or some problems means any problem adu eno occur agandidri. Why? Because comparing to the conventional spreadsheet this is good. Why? Because it's having a 8192 rows plus 256 columns. So in that we can manage the data plus which is also having some features. Means already predefined calculator means the formulas are there. So with the help of that formula we can easily perform the required task and it is also simple to use. So this is the second feature of the Lotus 1, 2, 3. Next feature is Lotus 1, 2, 3 has facility of importing and exporting. Importing and exporting. Import means what? Import means what? We are taking. ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ Lotus 1, 2, 3 spreadsheet, electronic spreadsheet having a one facility. Which kind of a facility? Import and export the data from the another software. Andra, this is also one of the software. Lotus 123 is a software, but another software is sorry. Assume that your DBMS or any of the data is adavant ankori. Bere yavadon software adavant ankori. If you want a data from the another software, you can easily fetch the data from the that folder. Assume that nimdon PC irutte ankori. Okay. This is your PC. So in this PC one you ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ different folders ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. Okay. In each folder different files are stored. Different files ಅದಾವ್ರಿ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ. Okay. Assume that you are open the your Lotus 123 ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, ಈಸಿಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಈ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದು ಡೇಟಾ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್. ಆರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನೀವು ಡೇಟಾ ನಿಮ್ ಓನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಇನ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡರ್. Okay, assume that this is a folder means this actually software ಇರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂದ directly actually this is the main feature of the Lotus 123, which has the facility of importing and exporting the data from the another software. Okay, another software in the data nu ತಗೋತದ್ರಿ, or it may be exporting means giving the data from the its own data is giving to the another software. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂದ ಡೇಟಾ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ತನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಡೇಟಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರಿಗೂ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ fourth feature of the Lotus 123. Next, Lotus 123 can display a different Lotus 123 can display a different types of a chart based on the data contains in the sheet. Okay, assume that whatever the data contains in a sheet, this sheet, okay, which is having some data, ileno data is down ankodi. Okay, assume that this is your electronic spreadsheet or a Lotus 123 software adant ankodi. So in this software you are managing some data, one data manage madatri ankori. So Lotus 123 can display a different types of a chart based on the data contained in a sheet. Okay, whatever the data in ಏನು ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ, ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಓಕೆ, 2018 ಒಳಗ 20% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, 2019 ಒಳಗ 50% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, 2020 ಒಳಗ 60% ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಡೇಟಾ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ಶೀಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಡೇಟಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರಿ, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 20% ಇನ್ 2019, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 30% in 2018, next 50% in 2020. Okay, you can display the data whatever there in a spreadsheet in the form of chart also. Okay, this is another feature of the Lotus 123. Okay, next last one is provides means it provides publishing, that is formatting and printing the facility. Means whatever the data are there in a electronic spreadsheet, you can print. If you want a hard copy of a data, pages ಒಳಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, you can take a print of this page plus ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಡೇಟಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲದಾವಂದ್ರಿ Lotus 123 ಒಳಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ತಿಳಿದ್ರಿ this point this one means whatever the electronic spreadsheet contains the data, that is also converted to the, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ in the form of chart also. ಚಾರ್ಟಿಗೂ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾತಾರ. Getting or not whatever I am explaining you. So actually another one feature is there about the Lotus 123. That feature is, if you want, assume that in the electronic sheet, In the electronic spreadsheet, you are calculating the 2 plus 3 equal to 5. My required answer is 5. It's our requirement. The both two inputs give the our required output. So this is my requirement. So actually, if calculation matter, not only the addition calculation, there are many methods are there. Okay, predefined or inbuilt formulas are there. Okay, our formula use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು you are calculating the some problem. Okay, assume that you are going to adding the 2 plus 3. Okay, answer ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? When go to the auto sum which gives the answer 5 ಅಂತ answer ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. Next ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ actually ನಾನು 2 plus 3 ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು, 2 plus 4 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು? ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Okay, if in any location at the executing time, execute ಮಾಡು time ಒಳಗ in any location if you want to modify, ನೀವು modify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ modify ಮಾಡ್ದನ, but it does not affect to the output, it is the 6 only. ಆಗ ನೀ 2 plus 3 ಮಾಡಿದಿ ನಾ 5 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೇನ್ರಿ ಇದು? ಈಗ ನಾ ಹೋಗಿ 3 ತೆಗೆದು 4 ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನನಗೆ 6 ಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗ 2 plus 3 ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 5 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತದೇನ್ರಿ ಇದು? ನೋ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಓಂಟ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಗೆ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. ಯಾವುದು? ಲೋಟಸ್ 1 2 3 ಒಳಗ ಇದೊಂದು ಫೀಚರ್ ಅದ ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಫೀಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ನ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ತಿಳಿಲಾತದ? This feature is called as an automatic calculation. Okay, once again I am going to explain you. Assume that your requirement is actually you are going to adding the two number, that is 2 plus 3 equal to, okay, 2 plus 3. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ add number add ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ. 2 plus 3 add ಮಾಡಿ run ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ which gives the answer 5. ಆವಾಗ you realize actually I require 2 plus 4 not a 3. So you ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? You modify the edit the some input. Okay, after the editing the input, okay, it won't affect to the output. It directly gives the output 6 only. 5 ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ? ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ this kind of a process is called as an automatic calculation feature is also available in a Lotus 1 2 3 spreadsheet. ತಿಳಿತ್ರಿ? Any doubts guys? So these are the very important features. Okay, it may be a chances to ask for the 2 marks. Any doubts guys? No doubts? No doubt? Okay, these are the features of the Lotus 1 2 3. The first version of the Lotus 1 2 3. When the developer developed this kind of a software, in that time the software Lotus 1 2 3, whatever is there, that is the first version of the Lotus 1 2 3 is 1.1 version. Okay, the first version of the Lotus 1 2 3. So like that they are increasing 1.2 1.3 and 1.4 3.1. So like that now 4.1 tanka bandadri features. Means when the features means when the version is extended, the extra features also added in the software. The first version of the Lotus is 1.02 means 1.1 1.0 ಇಂದನೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, means 1. Okay, the first version of the Lotus 1 2 3 is 1.0. next ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೇ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ, that version is called as 1.2. means they are adding the extra features till now. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಿ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋತ್ ಬಂದಾರಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ 4.1. ಲೋಟಸ್ ದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ 4.1. ಏನ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ವರ್ಷನ್, ಏನ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಅಂದ್ರ, ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಗುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. You are also familiar with the WhatsApp, FB, Instagram. Okay, so after the 15 days or after the 20 days or per 1 month ಒಳಗ or 1 month ಗೊಮ್ಮೆ the update option is available. ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಅಂತ, ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Why we require that update? That update means the extra features are developers adding in that application. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಫೀಚರ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೇನ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇಮೋಜಿಯರೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಈಚ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಏನದರಿ, ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಟೇಕ್ ಆನ್ ಎನಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್, ದ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ABC. ಓಕೆ, ABC ಅಂತದ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಇಮೋಜಿ ಎಷ್ಟದವ್ರಿ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 emojis ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. Okay, this version name is 1.0. Next, I added the another one emoji. Innondu emoji add ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Now this APC is called as 1.1. Okay, when the extra features are added in the software, the version name is changed. The version extra ಹಾಕೋಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. How? The number ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 means how the numbers also increasing. So like that the features also increased in a software. Increase ಆಗಕತ್ತಾವ್ರಿ, increase ಆಗ್ಯಾವಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಣ್ಣರೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಏನ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ತಿಳಿತ್ರಿ? in the first the Lotus 1 2 3 the first software is 1.0 in the start ಆಯ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದಾಗೆ 1.0 ವರ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು. 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 now 4.0 ತನಕ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, that is also comparing to the Excel. This Lotus is poor. Why? Because which is contains means 8,192 rows, 256 columns. But our Excel, which is having a 47,000 of rows, 47,000 rows adavri, columns ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದಾವ್ರಿ. Okay, so these are also compared to the conventional spreadsheet, these are better. Okay, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡ್ರಾಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೋಣ. They introduce the new software. They give the software name as a Excel and a QuadraPro. This is the first software, okay, developed in a electronic spreadsheet. The second one is a QuadraPro. Okay, QuadraPro admala third one is a Excel. So nowadays the Excel software is very popular in any organization. ಯಾವುದೇ organization ಇರಬಹುದು Excel ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೇತಾ, especially in the colleges or a institute ಅನ್ಬಹುದು. Why? Because the many students information are there. To maintain the students information, they are using the Excel only. Okay, so this is the features of the Lotus 1 2 3 spreadsheet, that is electronic spreadsheet. Any doubt? Okay, so this is the end of your class now. So next there are another two totally 3 electronic spreadsheets, that is Lotus 1 2 3. So features are completed now. Now the second one is QuadraPro, third one is Excel. Okay, in the next class I explained you about the QuadraPro. Next the Excel 2007. Okay, actually the 2007 is available or not, I don't know, in your Play Store or gottilla, but Excel antu aitri. Okay, you can download that one, start working on that one. Okay, so next class I am going to directly these two electronic spreadsheets. Now till now ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿದ್ರ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿನ್ರಿ. Still ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ you can ask me. Okay, bye guys, thank you for your cooperation. We will move to the next class. In the next class means next class ಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, start ಮಾಡೋದು next class. Okay.